What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am with basically my roommate, neighbor. We live 3 doors down, which honestly is just like a very great time.
I just walk into your house whenever
It's such a good
like
time. So you guys, this morning
I'm Alexa, by the way.
Oh shit, we didn't even do that. One of the things that Alexa and I love to talk about, love to do together is work out and eat food.
It's the best.
The best. Eating
is
such a good time. Speaking of that, more collabing and eating, what are we going to be doing on your channel?
We're going to be doing a mental health mukbang. Mukbang?
Mukbang. I thought it was mukbang. Woke up at 7:30, went to SoulCycle, then went to Whole Foods, picked up some snacks for you guys. Well, technically for us, but to show you guys, and that's what we're doing. So we're just gonna like take turns showing different things that we got. I have a lot of beverages, so I'm gonna spread them out.
Yeah.
So I'm obsessed with this coconut water right now.
You're geeking out about that.
C2O, pure coconut water. Rebecca showed this to me when we were at Coachella, and it's basically, I mean, it's just coconut water, but it's in a can, and for some reason, it just tastes so good. Like, feel that cold can.
Ooh.
Do you know what I mean?
Oh my god, this is the best coconut water I've ever had.
Isn't it so good? It beats every other brand.
And it's better because it's like not a plastic bottle.
Yeah.
My first beverage is this protein shake from Apres. You probably never heard of this. They're brand new.
You've talked about them, but I've never tried them, and I'm so intrigued.
Is this one that I've already opened? I want you to try it because it's like insanely good. But it's a vegan protein shake. This is mint cacao, which is my favorite. I don't really like most vegan protein shakes, and this one is like really good. And it's marble, it matches the house.
Oh, this is so cute.
It's the best. Is that not amazing?
Oh my god. These ingredients are really, really good too.
Yeah.
Can you only get this online?
I've seen a couple places, like my boxing gym sells them, which is really random. Order them online because they're that good.
Those are, wow. Next up, I've got a bar to talk about, and I've become obsessed with these, and I'm so excited for you to try this one because this flavor is unreal. So these are called This Bar Saves Lives. Not only do they taste amazing, but what the company does is also incredible. Basically, every single bar that you buy, this sounds like a sponsorship.
No, this whole video isn't sponsored.
Yeah, this isn't sponsored. I'm actually just like, oh my gosh. When you buy one of these bars, then in return, This Bar Saves Lives feeds a child in need, and so they have these little like nutrition dense, life-saving, they're called like plumpy nut, and so basically every single bar that you buy, they are making those little nutrition packs for kids in need.
That's amazing.
Yeah, all around, exactly.
And this is so good.
Okay, so
you were
this
telling
one,
me it's like a Rice Krispie.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
So this flavor, Madagascar vanilla almonds and honey. I recently went to one of their events, and Kristen Bell was like, all of you moms out there, if you let this sit in your car and heat up a little bit, it tastes like a warm Rice Krispie treat, and it literally does.
They sell these at Starbucks.
Starbucks.
So this is like the best thing to pick up when you're like on the road.
Yeah, if you see them at Starbucks, highly recommend, but you can also get them at Whole Foods.
Yes.
So I'm very excited about this.
This too, you can also get at Starbucks.
So good.
This is my favorite.
You can get that at Starbucks?
Yes, they sell these at Starbucks now.
Whoa.
Which is amazing. So this is like,
that's
full-fledged.
protein too, right?
Yeah, this is amazing. There's 13 grams of protein.
Wow.
My favorite is the almond butter. And so these are just the perfect bars. They're really, really, really good.
I feel like I gotta talk about these.
These are at every single game night, every single girls' night.
You guys.
You know.
I will give full credit to Lauren Elizabeth for bringing these into all of our lives.
Honestly.
The Simple Mills Farmhouse Cheddar Almond Flour Crackers. These are basically healthy Cheez-Its. There's barely any ingredients. Like, that is the number one thing that you should be looking at, and the order that they're in as well. Nut and seed flour blend, tapioca, cassava, which is like a type of root, I believe, right? Organic cheddar cheese, organic sunflower oil, sea salt, onion, garlic, rosemary, and whatever for like flavors, and that's it. They are so good for you. No crazy chemicals. They taste like Cheez-Its, but like a little bit more on the burnt side, and I'm a burnt
You're into
gal.
burnt
I
stuff?
love that stuff. So it's a little overly toasted.
These are out of this world.
Aren't they insane?
Okay, my turn.
Yes.
This is my favorite snack of all time. It's really
cherry
simple.
season.
It's just cherries. And when I saw these in Whole Foods, I freaked out. I was like, Claudia, oh my god, they're cherries. I love cherries.
I love cherries.
I love wearing cherry print. I love my cherry earrings.
I really want to talk about these tortillas because they are.
Oh!
There it is.
Sweet Ben Pokey.
We're gonna be talking about some chips from the same brand.
Sweet ladies on the back.
I know. It says embarrassing family photo, and that's like the family who started the company. Yeah, so cute. My friend Camille, she's a huge health nut, and she's obsessed with this brand, Siete. They have really good chips that Alexa's gonna bring up. They just make like grain-free products, and these are 2 different types of tortillas. They're incredible. I need you to try this one right now.
I'm really excited about this brand.
There's 4 ingredients in this.
This is amazing.
Doesn't it taste like a crepe? crepe. Put some banana slices in there, some cinnamon. I've put coconut oil on these, cinnamon, a little bit of coconut sugar.
Ooh.
Toast it up a little bit. It's so good.
Yeah, these are amazing.
This one is the cassava and chia tortillas. So it's got a little more grit to it. It's not as sweet. So this one's really good for like, you actually want to make like a tortilla with veggies and chicken or like
quesadilla night.
Exactly.
You can make little pizzas with this too.
Oh wow, that is a great concept as well.
We have like limitless ideas. So this is the siete grain-free tortilla chips. Ingredients are pretty transparent. You got the cute family on the back. I have my bag. This is Claude's bag. Oh my god, I've eaten so much of the bag. It's embarrassing.
I need one.
They're so amazing.
Unfortunately, our favorite flavor was not in stock because
Guacamole?
that is how everyone, no, the nacho flavor. These are the lime ones made with avocado oil, but the nacho flavor is unreal. And clearly the rest of Los Angeles agrees because there were none.
There
left
was
in the
none.
store. I'm going to talk about almond milk. It's the
good.
Khalifa Farms toasted coconut almond milk blend. And in general, this is my favorite brand for coconut milk because it's so creamy and the rich flavor works so well with like everything that I use milk for. Delicious, wonderful.
But what I mix that with is this, which this is honestly kind of hard to find. I buy it at Air One.
I've never seen that, yeah.
It's the True Cacao Mattola Valley Naturals protein powder. This is what Air One uses in all their smoothies. I buy that there and they make the most amazing smoothies. Try some of it later too, mix it with that and it's like to die for. I throw in like some almond butter.
I love chocolate flavored protein. I'm going through a phase right now. Literally, if you guys want to watch my last video, what I eat in a day, I show you guys how I make my little chocolate protein smoothies. Another beverage, because I told you, we've got lots of beverages. We got to space them out. I love sparkling water. It's so great. I love like having people over and doing dinners or whatever, and I feel like sparkling water is such a cute, like, oh, would you like a Perrier? Or like a LaCroix?
Like we are basically roommates and you still offer me a LaCroix every single time I come here.
Exactly. I'm going through a phase right now. I'm sorry, LaCroix, I love you, but I'm taking a pause on you real quick. The Perrier sparkling natural mineral water is so good. Every single flavor is delicious. I'm showing you guys peach, which is my favorite one.
This is also really nice to make like light cocktails with.
Yes. Absolutely.
You can add a little bit of like Uncle Tito's.
A little bit of that, Cosmigos, Sublime, mint
fresh.
leaves.
We're ready for summer. I tried to pick bars that are easier to find because like I already feel bad bringing in the Apres and the Mattola Valley protein powder.
Sorry guys, you gotta get it online, but it's fine.
This is the Oat Mega chocolate mint and this tastes like Girl Scout Thin Mints. Like I want you just to try it right now. And it's not bad. Like it's really, I keep those ones in my car because they don't melt too bad. I know, like where have they been all your life?
Whoa.
I know, it's wild.
A grass-fed whey protein bar.
That's the only thing is it's whey protein, so I'm not crazy about that, but if that's something that doesn't bother you,
Right.
clear.
I've got one more snacky type thing, and then the other two are in different categories. Good Bites, raw organic vegan coconut brownie bites. There's barely anything in these. It's just coconut flakes, cocoa powder, maple syrup, coconut oil, Himalayan pink salt, and vanilla powder.
They're so good.
You could honestly make these at home.
I'm just gonna go through all these really quick. No, I'll do the veggies first.
Okay, there you go, yeah.
I always have broccoli and carrot chips in my fridge because I like to just roast chicken and then roast some veggies. So these are kind of the easiest thing to just throw on the pan with the veggies. Throw some olive oil on it, put some seasoning on. So these are always there, and then I also get these to dip in my hummus.
Great segue
Oh,
to
is
the
that
hummus
hummus?
that I purchased. I've never tried this hummus before, but the
It looks
reason
really
why,
good.
the reason why I picked it up is because hummus has a lot of oil in it. It's
Yeah.
usually like the second ingredient, and people always say like try to find hummus that's oil free. And this one is oil free.
It's oil free. Hopefully
This
it's
is
good.
I know oil free original hummus. Let's take a little dipper. Wonderful.
Amazing snack.
It's not
Pretty nice.
overpowering. Got a nice little like kind of spice to it.
Medjool dates.
Tell them what you do, girl.
So what is my hack that I turned you on to? I basically cut up the dates, I pit them, throw the seed out, and then I replace it with almond butter, and you put them in the freezer, and you take them out, and it's literally a Snickers bar.
You guys, it's insane. People call them nature's caramel, which is
Yeah.
so true. It has like a caramelly,
They're really
like,
rich. My favorite snack. I
So
love
good.
bringing them to parties. And then you can also put walnuts in them and bake them. Lauren does that.
I think I have one more thing.
I have one more thing too.
Oh my god, that's so perfect and they're both cheat. It's
I
like
know.
we planned it. We actually
Did we?
No, we like subconsciously planned it.
Yeah, we, like,
Okay.
we also didn't plan on like living next to each other. Just kind of
Just like a lot of things just happen, like coincidentally. I just realized we got the same brand because
Yeah,
I've never
Tea is my favorite.
I've never tried this one, but I'm obsessed with that one.
I've been drinking this flavor of tea for probably like 4 years now.
It's so good.
And I love tea. I'm like a tea connoisseur. If you ask anybody, I have like a pantry full of tea. And I always keep on rebuying this one.
It's white tea with fragrant rose buds. Literally, it's so calming.
It's the best.
And literally tastes like roses, but like in a good way. This is the first time I'm getting this tea, but it's also new me. And they have like a line of teas that they had like one word to describe all of them, and I chose Presence because the flavor sounded really good, but it's mellow and cooling bamboo leaves, meat, fresh mint, and lemongrass. Doesn't that sound like a good time?
It sounds like a really good time.
Oh my gosh, that smells so relaxing. This smells
having
like
that
one of
before
my.
bed.
This smells like my deep breathe roll-on oil that I put on my neck when I go to bed.
That would be really good for like when you're with your crystals.
Yes.
And you're like giving them a bath outside under the moonlight.
In the moonlight, in the full moonlight. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching our little grocery haul, little
Why do we do the
snacking.
same thing to like all the time?
I know, we're just doing all of the same
Like, I hope you
movements. We
liked
spend way too
it.
much time with each other. Be sure to subscribe to this channel as well as Alexa's. I'll also link down Alexa's video, so check that out. We're going to be eating even more.
And we're going to be talking about our minds.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.